How to drop a pin and send to someone on Google Maps. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can share a specific location on Google Maps. First thing first, open up your Maps app and find the location that you want to share. It does not necessarily have to be tagged or it does not have to have a description. So all you can do is select a random place around your desired area and just tap on the area to drop a pin. Long press and hold on it, and a pin will be dropped to this exact location. You can see the share button at the bottom, so all you have to do is tap on the share icon to drop the coordinates of the pin and share it. Now you can just go ahead and tap on the copy link option to copy its link, or if you want, you can share it directly on these available apps. Now once you have copied the link to your clipboard, just open up where you want to share the link. I'm just going to go to a group chat and paste the link here. Tap on send, and if anyone taps on the link, they will be redirected to the pin that you've dropped. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.